It's always best to use up a spray foam kit in its entirety when first sprayed if possible. If not, your system should be good for 30 days from first use as long as it's shut down properly. Make sure to remove the used mixing nozzle and discard it. Coat the face of the gun with a generous amount of petroleum jelly and add a dab of the petroleum jelly to the base of the trigger as well to prevent chemicals from crystallizing there. Apply petroleum jelly to the valve stems of the tanks and close the valves. Always keep the boxes in the upright position and leave the hose assembly attached to the tanks without draining the lines. These steps should prevent air from getting inside the system and clogging it, and they should be repeated every 7 days. Got more questions? Contact Foamit Green today.